Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate Instagram account on iPhone before 7 days. For example, if you have recently deactivated your Instagram account within 7 days and you want to deactivate it again on your iPhone, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to simply scroll it down and you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here, and in App Store you have to check whether you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app or not, and if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, you have to simply open the Instagram app, and after opening, here what you have to do, you have to simply click on profile and you have to simply click on 3 lines, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on account center. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on personal details, and after that you have to simply click on account ownership and control. And here you have to simply click on deactivation or deletion. So here you have to simply select the account you want to deactivate. So here you have to simply click on deactivate your account temporarily. So you have to simply click on continue. As you click on continue, you can see that there is option. You have reached the weekly deactivation limit for this Instagram account. Try again in 7 days. So if you find this kind of error while deactivating, then you have to simply select the below option delete account. So if you click on continue, as you can see, it is asking why you want to delete. So you have to select privacy concern. So here you can simply see that what you have the privacy. You can simply again click on continue. So here is the option available. Your account will be deactivated temporarily before deleting. So if you do not want to delete your account, then you have to simply provide the details, and after that your account will be deleted. But before this, your account will be deactivated for some days. So you can simply log in again and your account will be deactivated again. So if your account is not deactivating, so you can simply use delete account option and it will work for you. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like these you can subscribe our channel.